Hello and welcome to Adarshalaya, a free online classes channel by Dr. Anjali Srivastava, retired zoology professor from Jamshedpur Women's University. In this 8th video on animal behavior, we will discuss restricted learning behavior, which includes imprinting and insight. Insight learning will be discussed in next video. Recap: behavior is action shown in response to stimulus and is broadly of two types: innate, the stereotype, genetically driven, and learned through the experiences. Thorpe 1963 divided learning behavior into major types: restricted and flexible learning. Restricted behaviors are characterized by limited range of focus, interest, or activity with limited range of variations and are almost irreversible. As the term restricted implies, such behavior can be considered as a type of innate learning in animals immediately after birth or hatching, or in a particular conditions when animals decide to act based on insight, observations, and reasoning. Such behaviors make animals to develop behavioral patterns related to mating, socializing, problem solving, and surviving specific to their environments. These behaviors make difficult to learn to adapt to environmental changes. Imprinting is a type of learning that happens during a critical period in an early development, which is partly innate and can be adaptive. Insight learning is a sudden realization of a solution to a problem. First type of restricted behavior, imprinting, will be discussed here. Imprinting is a form of learning where an animal, especially birds and mammals, at a specific time called critical or sensitive period, forms a social attachment to another object animal. This critical period varies from species to species and may extend from few hours to days, months, and even years. Konrad Lorenz in 1937 first explained this term imprinting. His experiments showed that the principal imprinting stimulus in greylag goose is a nearby moving object first seen by the young gooseling. When incubator-hatched goslings spent few hours with K. Lorenz rather than their mothers, they imprinted on him and showed no recognition of their biological mother after the critical period. Imprinting behavior makes animals close to their mother and members of their society. Another interesting example is shown by crane handlers wearing special suits to prevent whooping cranes from imprinting on humans. This method was used to rehabilitate this endangered bird by raising chicks in captivity and then teach them to migrate using an ultralight aircraft, releasing them to their natural habitats. Imprinting helps animals, providing evidence for genetic contribution to learning. Imprinting learning may be filial, sexual, etc. Example of sexual imprinting has been studied between two species of songbirds, blue tits and great tits, where switched blue tits shown mating tendencies with great tit mates. Imprinting behavior in association with classical conditioning, operant conditioning, social behaviors have been used by behaviorists for training animals and in human psychology. There are advantages as well as disadvantages of imprinting behavior. Researchers are working on different aspects of imprinting, including ways to revert or correct such behaviors. Neurobiology explains how these learning behaviors are associated with neural system. To listen all this in Hindi and to have notes, go to my YouTube channel Adarshalaya. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Hit bell to get notifications.